Hey, howdy guys, this is Dave and welcome back to Bubble Toast for another story. Today we will be checking out Machines on a Construction Site by Cyan Smith. Copyright is 2014, and I hope you brought your hard hats, cause here we go. Why are there machines at a construction site? A construction site is a place where things are built. Builders could be making bridges, roads, houses, or other buildings. There are many different jobs that need to be done at a construction site. Machines make the jobs safer and easier to do. Which machines help to break things up? Sometimes buildings have to be knocked down before new ones can be built. Cranes swing heavy wrecking balls to knock buildings down. Sometimes construction workers need to break up the ground. Powerful drills are used to break up hard concrete. Which machines get the ground ready for building? A bulldozer has a large blade at the front and is used to clear the ground. Most bulldozers have tracks instead of wheels. This helps them move on lumpy ground and mud. Small bulldozers are also important. They are useful because they can get into small spaces. A machine called a motor grader makes the ground smooth and ready to build on. The long blade scrapes along the ground to make it flat. Wheel loaders are used to scoop up soil or rocks and carry them away. The bucket at the front moves down to shovel things in, then lifts up to carry them. Which machines carry rocks, soil, and sand? Wheel loaders often move rocks, soil, and sand into dump trucks. Dump trucks are big and powerful enough to carry huge loads. The container or dump box can be lifted up so that the load tips out easily. Most dump trucks tip out their loads at the back, but some tip at the sides. What are digging machines used for? Digging machines are very useful for construction work. They are also called backhoes or excavators. The bucket can be used for many things, such as digging, loading, and carrying. The bottom part of a digging machine holds it steady. The driver's cab and digging arm can move around in a circle. The long arm on the digging machine lets it reach high and far and dig down deep. Can digging machines do other jobs? Different tools can be attached to a digging machine. Magnets or giant claws called grapples can be used to lift things up. Other tools, such as saws, hammers, and rock breakers, can be put on a digging machine to break things up. Drills can be put on a digging machine to make holes in the ground. What is a backhoe loader? A backhoe loader is actually two different machines made into one. The front of the machine is a wheel loader, and the back is a digging machine. Can you tell which is which? The seat inside the cab turns around so that the driver can use both machines. Backhoe loaders are used to do a lot of work at construction sites. Which machines are used to reach high places? Buildings at a construction site can be very tall. Machines with moving platforms called cherry pickers can lift builders up high. Cranes are used to move heavy materials up and down. Cranes can be fixed to the ground or to trucks. Some cranes can be made taller to match the height of a building. What does this machine do? Can you guess what this construction site machine does? Find the answer on page 24. Alright, so we will look at page 23, which is a picture glossary, in case you guys are interested in looking at these more. And here we are on page 24. Go ahead and take a look at that, and if you know what that big yellow machine is, go ahead and leave that in the comments and let me know, because I'm really wondering. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this book. Hopefully it answers some questions for some things you may see when you're driving around. But until next story time, whether you're going to bed with the moon or waking up with the sun, always make sure you have a good one. Bye!